Hi, this video is about how to set the default room in your Panorama. I have two rooms here, boys room and guest room. But whenever I click on the preview, the default view is always the guest room. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's the guest room. Even when I switch to boys room here, the default view is still the guest room. Okay, actually the reason is because of the room selection here. Note the tick beside the guest room. Okay, let's say I take the boys room now and preview. Now the boys room become the default room already. So when the tick is there, even if you change the room, the default room will still be the one with the tick. So after setting the default room, you may then share the link to public.